Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, if you're new here, hello, hi, how are you? Thank you for tuning in. Yes, I'm the brain behind this channel, and I upload at least once a week. You can watch out for my uploads from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, as the spirit leads. Okay, so today guys, a quick update on my last video. Okay, I told you guys how I got my green card in the mail, and the fact that there was a mistake on my green card. It came in my maiden name instead of my legal name or my husband name, as the case may be. Okay, and we had to, we're planning to return my green card so that it can be replaced, since it's the Department of Homeland Security's mistake. Because if it's your mistake, I've told you how you can avoid this mistake. Okay, but if it's your mistake, you have to pay for it. If not, it's free. Okay, and you get your card replaced in case you have any sort of mistake on your green card. Please, you can I'm gonna make a video on okay, let me quickly update you on the fact that I have filled out from I-90 online. Okay, I initially wanted to fill it manually. Okay, I printed it out, I filled out the form. Okay, but the part of the requirements is the fact that you have to attach your the green card. Okay, you have to attach the green card that you want to replace with the form. Okay, I didn't want to attach my green card. Okay, I still want to hold on to this. You never can tell. Okay, anything can come up. I still need my green card in with me, so to say. So when I realized that we had to attach the the green card, so I had to fill it online. Okay, I registered online. I think I created an account. Yeah, I created an account online. Okay, and I filled out form I-90 online. With that, you just have to scan the front and the back of your green card to the USCIS, and you fill out the form online and you submit online. So that was what I actually opted out to do. I filled out the form online and I submitted the form online, and I uploaded the card. I scanned it and put it in PDF, and I uploaded it online. And I also uploaded my marriage certificate. Yes, and I indicated that the mistake was from the Homeland Security, not our mistake. So I didn't have to pay for it. So guys, if you have any sort of mistake on your card, you can fill it online and you can have it submitted online, rather than having to send back your card. Don't send it. Okay, don't let me say this. Okay, I didn't want to send mine back, so I had to fill it online. Of course, I would eventually have to send it back. Okay, because I realized that whatever, even if you're going to if you're applying to be a citizen, you still have to submit your green card at the point of upgrading your status. Okay, but I don't have a problem returning it. But now that I don't have any other one, I wouldn't mind keeping it for now, in case the process is taking longer than expected. I will know that I still have my green card, though it's going to be replaced, but I still have my green card. Okay, so I would advise that you fill out the form online if you don't want to return your green card, because it's actually risky returning your green card. Okay, because you're going to mail it to them. Anything can happen to your green card on the way. It's actually a very small card. Okay, you don't want that. Okay, so I prefer the online filling out the form rather than having to fill it out manually, submit it with the green card and your marriage certificate. So that was what I did. So I'm still gonna keep you guys up to date on that. Okay, I still have my old green card, the one with my maiden name, and I filled out I-190. Why do I keep on saying I-190? I-90 form. Okay, I've filled out I-90 form. Okay, so I've indicated the mistake, and hopefully my card is going to be replaced. Okay, now that I have opened an account with the USCIS, I would have to be following it up from my account. Okay, so I'm going to update you guys on that. Okay.
it's softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved, 'cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now.